Ain't gonna be pretty. Ain't gonna be pretty. Asthma. Asthma. Not a real sport. Not a real sport. Anybody else coming to try out? Anybody else coming to try out? Faster. Faster. Coach without a team. Coach without a team. Best option. Best option. Sad even for me. Sad even for me. One person. One person. Impressed. Impressed. Only thing I'm good at. Only thing I'm good at. Treadmill. Treadmill. Not too sure. Not too sure. To who? To who? She's right there. She's right there. Represent our school. Represent our school. One runner matters. One runner matters. Knows the Lord. Knows the Lord. Change your perspective. Change your perspective. Who I am. Who I am.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.